What's up guys? So this video is an update to the previous video that I actually did on my Jaguar XF dominating the roads. Now there's a clip where you actually see me overtaking an SUV somewhere around the middle of the video, and as I was approaching the SUV, a pickup truck came past me in the opposing lane. But something at that point hit my car with quite a force that I actually didn't know what had happened. It was so loud, and at first I thought it hit my windshield, and I looked at the windshield and I realized, well, the windshield's okay, so maybe it's something else. Maybe it hit the hood or the front of the car, I don't know. And I actually thought that somebody in the pickup truck might have thrown something at my car. You know, they're crazy people in the world, one never really knows. So when I got to my destination, I got out the car, I walked around, I had a look at the windshield, I didn't see any chips or marks, I didn't see anything on the hood, I didn't see anything on the front of the car, so I didn't really know what had happened. And there goes the pickup truck, and bam! It hits my car. Slow motion. Here it comes, there it goes. And here are a couple of still pictures I took from the dash cam, and you can see there it is flying towards my car. Next frame, it hits my car, and as it flies out of view, you can see it's actually a piece of wood. Very, very strange. So that just goes to show you guys that, you know, you can be just driving along minding your own business and something can come out of the blue and just wreck your day. Luckily my car wasn't damaged, and I'll take you guys around the front now and I'll show you the headlight. It's perfectly fine. So it hit this headlight over here, and I'm guessing it hit the light somewhere on this portion here. Judging by the video footage, I don't know, it could have hit it here, I really don't know, but there is not a scratch or a mark on the lens of the light. As you can see, it's looking very, very good, and I guess I was just very fortunate that it didn't do any major damage. You know, and the hood of the car is, you know, good as well. So, I mean, you can see there's absolutely no damage there whatsoever. So, fortunate thing. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Be careful out there when you're driving, and take care. Cheers.